Hello students, so today we'll continue lesson 9 Microsoft Word 2010 part 2. Now today we'll see the different types of the line indent. So this is the first line indent. So first line indent we use uh, to insert the indent marker on the ruler and indents the first line of the text in a paragraph away from the left margin. For that we use the first line indent. Next is the hanging indent. Inserts the hanging indent marker and indents all lines other than the first line. Left tab moves the text to the right as you type. Center tab centers the text according to the tab. Right tab moves the text to left as you type. And the decimal tab vertically aligns the decimal numbers using the decimal point. And the bar tab draws a vertical dotted line on the document. So to set the tab stop to indent the first line of the text, first we click on the tab selector until the first line indent icon is displayed. So click at the desired point on the horizontal ruler, the first line indent icon will appear. Press the enter key to start a new paragraph and your insertion point will automatically indent to that point. You can set the hanging indent in the same way. Now see how you can set the left, center, right and decimal tab stops. So click on the tab selector until the tab stops that you wish to use appears. So click at the location on the horizontal ruler where you want your text to appear. Press the tab key to reach on to the tab stop. So you can also adjust the indents by dragging them on the horizontal ruler bar. Select the paragraph and drag the first line indent, left indent or right indent. We can also set the tabs using the tabs dialog box. So to set your tab at a precise position, you can use the tabs dialog box. This option is generally used when you cannot get the accurate tab stop by clicking on the horizontal ruler. So what you have to do, click on the paragraph dialog box launcher, either on the home tab or the page layout tab. So the paragraph dialog box will appear. Click on the tabs button present at the bottom left corner and double click on any tab stop on the horizontal ruler bar, so the tabs dialog box will appear. So default tab stops will display the default tab setting. So let me show you on the Microsoft Word window. Now see, this is the horizontal ruler and now this is the tab selected. You can see left tab it is. Now when I will click on it, now see the name of this uh, tab select is the center tab. So now if you type anything, suppose I have written a text, uh, I am going to school, I am going to school, that I have typed. So let me increase the size of this font, make it 20. Okay, so this is the center tab I have selected. Now one time more I will click. Now see, this is the right tab. Now let me type the again. This is the right tab. So now writing I am going to market. I am going to market. Now this you can see. Again one time I will click, see now it will be the decimal tab. You can see the name decimal tab it is. Like this we can drag it here to increase the indent and drag it to the left. This is the hanging indent, this in the middle. Now in the center I have pressed, this is the left margin we are setting. Now let me write, I need some decimal value, that I will write 3.5. This alignment of the decimal tab. If it is not this one, next you can see this is the bar tab. So let me write the next. I am writing a letter. This is the first line indent which you are using here. Now this is the page setup open. Clicking on that. Now here you can set the margins. Here you can set the paper size, letter size, or some other different size are there. Width and height you can set. This is the layout you can set. The header and footer. How much header you want to give, how much footer. So 0.5 inch, 0.5 inch header and footer are set. So here you can use the borders, different borders you can use. Border setting dialog box will open. Okay, that is the horizontal line and some other things are there. Three different types of the horizontal lines which you want to use it. Now you can see it here. Now see the now the horizontal text alignment. So this we will study in the next class about the horizontal text alignment, how we align the text on the document, to the left, align text to the left, align text to the right, center and justify. So this is all for the today, students. We'll continue the next class. Thank you for your kind attention.